I always get questions on how I get this lighting for filming, and I want to show you my secret. It is this mirror over here that I got from Amazon. It is amazing. It has this little like touch command, so you turn it off or on. You can change like the different lighting settings, and you can also adjust like the power of the lights, which is amazing. That's like the lowest it goes, and you can amp it up to its highest as well. And you just have to connect it, and it's great. And it also has a USB-C and USB port, different types of ports. And I absolutely love this mirror because it's a great bathroom mirror for doing your makeup and stuff, but it's also great for filming. If you are a content creator, definitely invest in this mirror. You can also like have it standing in a table or a desk. It comes with this little like attachment, or you can like hang it up in a wall like I did in my bathroom. Definitely check this mirror out.